Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for anyone using specific Edirol and Roland recording devices, the BRST USB cable PC laptop data cord. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed as a replacement for models like the Edirol R-09, R-09HR, the Roland R-05 Wave MP3 WAV recorder, and the Roland RC-05 digital pocket recorder. One of the first things that stands out about this BRST cable is its commitment to safety and reliability. It boasts an input voltage range of 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz, which means it's ready for worldwide use. Whether you're traveling internationally or just need a dependable connection at home, this cable has you covered without needing additional voltage converters. This global compatibility is a huge plus for musicians, podcasters, or anyone who records on the go. Beyond its versatile power input, the BRST USB cable meets stringent safety standards. It's FCC, CE, and RoSH certified, giving users peace of mind that it adheres to recognized benchmarks for electronic safety and environmental responsibility. But the safety features don't stop there. This cable is engineered with multiple layers of protection, including short-circuit protection, overvoltage protection, and overheat protection. These safeguards are crucial for protecting not only the cable itself, but more importantly, your valuable recording equipment from potential electrical mishaps. It ensures a stable and secure connection every time you transfer your precious audio files from your recorder to your PC or laptop. The manufacturer, BRST, has clearly focused on providing a high-quality, dedicated solution. It's important for potential buyers to double-check their specific model against the listing to ensure perfect compatibility, as the manufacturer explicitly states this. This attention to detail ensures that users get exactly what they need for their Edirol R-09, R-09HR, Roland R-05, or RC-05, avoiding the frustration of incompatible accessories. For anyone who relies on these specific recorders for their creative work or professional needs, having a reliable data transfer cable is non-negotiable. This BRST USB cable appears to be a robust and trustworthy option, built to keep your workflow smooth and your devices protected. It's a practical investment for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your recording gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.